Hi everyone, welcome to Shanghai Junyu Food Machinery Company. My name is Cecilia. Alex, let me show you around our factory. Let's take a look on that. Our company was founded in 2008 with over 120 employees, which is located in the Fengxian district in Shanghai, covering an area of 90,000 square meters, and it has modern factories and advanced equipment. We mainly produce candies, biscuits, cakes, crystal balls, popping bobas, chocolate, and other automatic production lines. Our product meets the needs of the healthy development of food industry with excellent quality. Our sales network spread all over the world. We have direct agents in domestic and foreign regions. Our company has an excellent design and processing team. We have laser cutting, bending machines, processing center, lathe, and other 50 production machines. 12 production lines are under production. The factory ensures the quality of the products from raw materials. Ensuring the quality of the products, we can undertake from design and production manufacturing one-stop service. Second, our company's annual output is around 300 lines. The products are exported to North America, Europe, Asia, and other 100 countries and regions. The factory has obtained ISO 9001 quality systems CE certificate. Product has been certified by Intertech and other quality certifications. Meanwhile, the company provides service for well-known domestic brands, and the product quality has been highly recognized by buyers. We always adhere the principle of high quality, high efficiency, and the consumer-first principles. So if you are interested in us, feel free to reach us and contact us.